Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Janvi and I hope you are doing well. There are a lot of advices on the internet and not every advice is a good one. Although it might seem like a good one, but it is not. I have collected some of the shit advices that you definitely should not follow. Let's start. The first advice is think realistically. नाउ इफ़ सब लोग रियलिस्टिकली सोचने लगे तो ना कोई इनोवेशन हो पाए, ना कोई आगे बढ़ पाए, ना कोई बहुत रिच हो पाए, ना कोई बहुत फिट हो पाए. इफ़ आई थिंक कि भाई ये तो मेरे से हो ही नहीं पाएगा, आई शुड नॉट बी थिंकिंग दैट, आई शुड नॉट बी डूइंग वर्क फॉर दैट, क्योंकि वो हो ही नहीं पाएगा, तो ऐसे तो हो चुका फिर. So I don't think so that you should think realistically. I think you should think like really out of the box and तभी वो possible है कि वो हो पाएगा, वरना तो वो हो ही नहीं पाएगा ना. Second is love is hard work. I don't think so love is hard work क्योंकि love should be very easy flowing. I mean अगर आप अपने मम्मी पापा से प्यार करते हो तो you don't have to like do a lot of hard work to show them that you love them. You just know that you love them. They just know that they love you and you love them. I don't think so that love is hard work. The people that say that love requires a lot of hard work, maybe it does, but not all the time. If you think that the love that you are in romantically or any other relationship and that is requiring hard work, I don't think so that's really a very good scene. Next, I have heard a lot. Following your heart over your mind. अब ये तो हम लोग ने मूवीज़ में भी देखा है, बॉलीवुड भर भर के दिखाता है कि यू शुड फॉलो योर हार्ट, दिल की सुनो, अपने सुनो, बट डोंट बी डम्ब एंड जस्ट दिल की सुन के वो कर लो. यूज़ योर ब्रेन ऑल्सो. अगर आप सोचोगे नहीं कि क्या होने वाला है, कैसे होने वाला है, तो आप करोगे कैसे वो काम. दिल ने कह दिया कि भाई मैं बिना देखे रोड क्रॉस कर लूँगा, पागल हो, नहीं कर पाओगे रोड क्रॉस. कोइंसिडेंट हो सकता है कि आप कर लो, बट वो सही चीज़ नहीं है. यूज़ योर ब्रेन while following your heart. This advice is one of the advices that productivity YouTube gave me a lot. That is, you need to figure out what you are going to do with your life and plan your entire life. And not gonna lie, I almost did give into that क्योंकि I used to plan a lot, like every single thing that I could, and clearly nothing was going in that direction जो मैं प्लान करती थी. कुछ ना कुछ हो ही जाता था जो अलग जाता था, which is okay because life it is like this. But I figured out कि वो लोग इतना बोलते हैं कि भाई you should plan to the T. It doesn't happen that way. You should plan but you should not stick to that plan कि भाई यही करना है, इसके अलावा कुछ और हो गया तो भाई नहीं हो पाएगा मुझसे. I don't think so that should be the case क्योंकि life just goes on and it will screw up whatever you have planned. So it's better to just keep a normal plan and leave rest to the universe or God, whatever you believe in. Oh, this one my parents used to believe in and I think they still believe in. That is, therapy is only for traumatized people. Of course, that's not true, and we are in a time where mental health is getting the importance that it deserves. And I still think कि इंडिया में बहुत से छोटे सिटीज़ हैं, जैसे मैं जहाँ रहती हूँ, जहाँ लोगों को लगता है कि मेंटल हेल्थ इज़ जस्ट नथिंग. एंड अगर तुम थोड़ा सा मेंटली इल हो या थोड़ा सैड फील कर रहे हो या डिप्रेशन में हो, दैट इज़ लाइक दिमाग का खेल and it will just go away like this. No, it won't. You have to go to therapy, not only for those people but for normal people. सबको थेरेपी जानी चाहिए. कुछ ना कुछ कहीं ना कहीं से थेरेपी हेल्प कर ही देती है. Next one is again contradicting my parents, that you need to be humble. I don't need to be humble to people who have not been humble to me or not been kind to me. Yes, you should be kind to others, everyone, but I would rather not talk to a person who has insulted me in the past or in the present or just disrespects me or doesn't really respect my boundaries. And I tell this to my parents as well, but they are like a different set of people altogether, so we'll not talk about that. But I don't think so that you need to be humble to everyone. If you have achieved something and somebody is making you feel कि आपने उतना भी achieve नहीं किया है, don't talk to them. They are not worth it at all. Be with people who like you, who respect you, who get happy with your achievements when you do that, and do the same for those people. But you don't need to be humble to everyone. Everyone doesn't deserve the humble side of you. Next one is also very like productivity YouTube that has instilled in me is you need to be aspiring to be a good woman. I am a good woman. I don't need to aspire it to be a good woman. Yes, I can always better myself, but वो तो हमेशा चलता रहेगा लाइफ में. आपका कभी एक ऐसा दिन नहीं जाएगा जब आप परफेक्ट हो जाओगे. No, you will always like be trying to become a better version of yourself, but you don't have to aspire to be a good woman. You are a good woman or a man. With this one also Bollywood really instilled in me with YouTube as well, that you need to find yourself. Oh my god, कितना deep thought लगता है ये, but ये deep thought उतना है नहीं. Everybody knows themselves, and जो लोग को नहीं पता उनको ढूंढना चाहिए अपने आप को. ढूंढो but don't believe everything that you see on the internet and the videos that you see or the Bollywood movies that you see कि सब मैं अपने आप को ढूंढ रहा हूँ. I will find myself when I go on that trip. I will find myself when I find a good partner. No, you will not find yourself by doing any of such things. There is no guarantee that you can find yourself like that. You already know yourself. You just have to sit with yourself and your thoughts to figure out what you want, what you are and what you like. That's it. हम लोग अकेले बैठना बंद कर दिए. हम लोग बिना कुछ किए, बिना फ़ोन के बैठना बंद कर दिए. इस वजह से ये सब लग रहा है. Sit with yourself, sit with your thoughts without any phones or any distractions. This one तो ये पक्का मेरे सब चीज़ें बॉलीवुड ने ही इंस्टॉल किया है. That you should have loads of friends. No. I used to always want कि मेरे एक बड़ा सा ग्रुप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स हो जिसके साथ हम लोग हैंग आउट करें रोज़ एंड घूमे फिरे, यू नो, सब बढ़िया से हो, बहुत सारे हो. बट दैट वॉज नेवर द केस विथ मी. I have never had a group of friends जो proper friendship रही हो. And that's okay. You can have one friend, one good friend, than having lots of friends that are not really there for you when you need them. But I'm glad that I have friends now that are with me, but they are not a group of friends. We don't hang out in a group. We hang out separately क्योंकि सब अलग अलग है. एक मेरी कॉलेज की दोस्त, एक मेरी स्कूल की दोस्त, एक मेरी कज़न जो मैं उसको फ्रेंड ज़्यादा कंसिडर करती हूँ कज़न से. तो you can have just 4 or 5 friends and you will be good. Trust me. This one is really interesting क्योंकि I used to believe in that really wholeheartedly, that you should keep your achievements hidden ताकि बुरी नज़र न लग जाए. I don't think so that there is such thing as नज़र, but I mean मैं बोलती रहती हूँ नज़र लग गई होगी, बट मैं वो सिर्फ फ़र्ज़ी में बोलती हूँ. मैं मानती नहीं उस चीज़ को क्योंकि I don't think so कि अगर आप इतने हैप्पी थॉट्स बाहर फेंक रहे हो, यूनिवर्स में बाहर दे रहे हो या बता रहे हो, तो जो लोग खुश होंगे वो और खुश होंगे. वो नज़र क्यों लगाएंगे? नज़र वो लोग लगाते होंगे जो लाइक नेगेटिव थॉट्स हमेशा रखते हैं. एंड आई डोंट थिंक सो दैट यू शुड हैंग आउट विथ सच पीपल, बट इफ़ यू डू देन यू शुड कट देम ऑफ. जस्ट से. बट आई डोंट बिलीव इन द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ नज़र. आई डोंट थिंक सो ये सब कुछ होता है. बट आई नो पीपल जो बहुत स्ट्रांगली ये बिलीव करते हैं. आई वुड लाइक टू हैव अ चैट विद देम ताकि मैं भी समझ पाऊँ या वो मेरी समझ पाए, वट एवर इज़ द केस. बट आई डोंट बिलीव इन इट. आई डोंट थिंक सो कि आपकी अचीवमेंट आपको छुपानी चाहिए. आई थिंक वो और बतानी चाहिए ताकि पता चले कि आप खुश हो तो आपको और खुशी हो. आई बिलीव इन द लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. जो बोलते वो होता है. हमारे हिंदू कल्चर में कहते भी हैं कि आपके ज़बान पे सरस्वती बैठती है एक दिन में एक बार, तो यू शुड से गुड थिंग्स. गुड डेज इक्वल टू गुड लाइफ. ये सुनने में थोड़ा अटपटा लग रहा होगा क्योंकि whenever we think of a good life we think of good days, like वो दिन जिसमें हम लोग बहुत खुश रहे हों, वो दिन जिसमें हम लोग ने बहुत मस्ती की हो. But that doesn't mean कि you will have a good life only on the basis of good days. Life consists of good and bad. अगर bad नहीं होगा तो you will not be able to appreciate the good. So good and bad together will make a good life. Good days are not just good life. You have to have bad days in order to appreciate the good ones. Next is treat others the way that you want to be treated. ये तो सबने सुना होगा क्योंकि हम लोग ने स्कूल में भी सुना है, मम्मी पापा से भी सुना है, एंड बहुत सारे इंस्टाग्राम कोट्स से भी सुना है. टम्बलर पे भी ये कोट बहुत फेमस था, बट आई डोंट थिंक सो दैट्स ट्रू. क्योंकि इफ़ यू ट्रीट समवन विथ काइंडनेस दैट डज नॉट गारंटी दैट वो भी आपसे उतना ही अच्छे से बात करेंगे. आई हैव टॉक टू सम पीपल वेरी वेरी काइंडली, बट they have not reciprocated that back, and that is not a good thing. I don't feel good about that. I mean, I feel good कि मैंने उनसे तमीज़ से बात की. Like I don't get to that level of theirs कि तुम ऐसे हो तो मैं भी ऐसी रहूँगी. I'm not like that anymore. I used to be, but I don't think so that everybody deserves to be treated well. आप बुरा मत ट्रीट करो, but then don't also go to that person or to those set of people who disrespect you, who do not treat you nicely. You can just stay away. This one is really good. Find a rich man and marry him. I'm pretty sure everybody has heard that by your mom especially. I have heard it from my mom. But I don't believe in that. I mean, you could be with a person who is not rich and marry him. I mean, you both can earn. If he earns and he can take care of yourself, well and good. Go for it. I'm not against that as well. But you should not just look for a rich man to marry. You can fall in love with a man who's not rich, and being rich is very subjective, but we'll not talk about that in this. You can marry someone who is not rich according to the standards, but you can fall in love, you can get married, and जब आप प्यार में होते हो तो कुछ सही गलत नहीं होता. Comment down below from which movie it is. I used to really want to be like this, that is, chill and easygoing people are more likable. I became that chill girl. जो meme चला था ना कि I'm just a chill girl. I used to be like that. Not initially, but when I saw कि लड़के सिर्फ उनको like करते हैं जो बहुत chill होती हैं, तो I tried to become that. And maybe I did to some extent, but then I failed. And then I realized कि I'm not like that. I'm not chill. I'm not easygoing. I like being treated in a certain way, and I don't care if people don't like me after that, क्योंकि this is who I am. I'm not chill, I'm not easygoing. I'm chill and easygoing with the people that I really like, that is my friends, but I have a lot of different personalities in front of different people, and I am okay being that. Okay, the last one is time will heal everything. Now, it might be true to some extent. I'm not saying that it is completely untrue, but I don't think that time always heal everything. I don't think that, because I have my reasons. You do not like heal yourself as time passes by. You just get used to the pain, and if you get used to something, it will hurt you less over time. I don't know if that quote means this only, lekin time will heal everything I don't think is true at all. It doesn't heal everything, it just makes you get used to the pain that you have. Baki, I could be wrong. So that is it. I think you should never ever follow these advices. According to me, this is also an advice. You can not follow this, whatever I'm saying also. That's completely up to you, but yes, this is it for today's video, and I hope that it helps you. I hope that you get some confidence and some clarity after this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, please watch my other videos. They will be right here and here. I think I'll put it somewhere. And yes, if you like today's video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
And we just skip straight to the plot twist.